I must apologize for acting, thinking, treating you this way. Cause I'm if I could escape and recreate a place of my own world, and I could be your favorite girl forever, perfectly together. Now tell me, boy, now wouldn't it be sweet if I could be sweet? I know I've been a real bad girl. I didn't mean for you to get hurt. We can make it better. Now tell me, boy, now wouldn't that be sweet? You melt me down, I'm at my lowest boiling point. Come help me out, I need to get me out of this joint. Come on, let's bounce, cause something gonna turn me around. Instead of clowning around, let's look for some common ground. So baby, time's getting a little crazy, I've been getting a little lazy, waiting for you to come save me. I can see the angry by the way you treat me. Hopefully you don't leave me.